With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so the question is 2 kilogram ice at minus 20 degrees centigrade is mixed with 5 kilogram water at 20 degrees centigrade. Then final amount of water in the mixture will be, and the given values are specific heat of ice 0.5 calorie per gram degree centigrade, and specific heat of water is 1 calorie per gram degree centigrade, and latent heat of fusion is 80 calorie per gram. So let's start the solution. In the question they are giving 2 kilogram ice at 20 degrees centigrade. Suppose this is the ice, 2 kilogram ice which is at minus 20 degrees centigrade, and suppose this is the water which is 5 kilogram, and this is the water and it is at 20 degrees centigrade. Now as you can see, the temperature of water is greater than the temperature of ice. That means heat is emitted by the water and the same amount of heat is absorbed by the ice. So heat emit, or I can say heat released by the water. Why? Because water is at high temperature and same amount of heat is absorbed. Heat absorbed by the ice because it is at low temperature. Now when we mix both ice and water, then they want to reach at the mediator temperature which is 0 degree centigrade. So from to reach at 0 degree centigrade, first my ice is converted into, this is the ice, first this is converted into the ice at 0 degree centigrade, and then it is converted into the water at 0 degree centigrade. So this is the two-step process. Similarly, my water at 20 degrees centigrade is want to convert into the water at 0 degree centigrade of water, and this is the one-step process. Now the heat absorbed in this process can be written as the heat absorbed equals to, this is the first process, this is the second process. The heat for the first process can be written as ms delta T, and plus second, in second step ice is converted into water, that means the phase change. The ice, that is a solid, is converted into the liquid, that means latent heat of fusion, so it can be written as ml. Now simplifying this, value of m is given as 2 into specific heat of ice is given in the question which is 0.5, and the temperature difference is 20 minus 20 to 0, so the temperature difference is 20 plus. Now for this step, heat required to change ice from ice, this is 20 kilo calorie. And for the second step, in which my ice is converted into the water, the heat required for this process is m is 2 into latent heat of fusion is given which is 80, so this is 160 kilo calorie. Now we have to calculate the heat released by the water. So heat released by the water, this is the one step process, so this is given by ms delta T. The mass of water is 5, specific heat of water is 1, and delta T is 20, so it is coming out to be 100 kilo calorie. That means my water is released 100 kilocalorie. Out of 100, 20 kilocalorie ice is absorbed, 20 kilocalorie to convert ice from ice. That means the remaining 80 kilocalorie is used to convert ice into water. So I can write that remaining 80 kilocalorie is used to change the ice into the water. Suppose x amount of ice is converted into water. Okay, so I can write, to change ice into water, suppose the mass of ice is x into latent heat, that is L. So I can write 80 equals to x into 80 latent heat of fusion. So the value of X is 1 kilogram. That means in remaining 80 kilocalorie heat, my 1 kilogram ice is converted into the water. So I can say that the amount of water at 0 degree centigrade, at 0 degree centigrade, the amount of water is given as 5 kilogram water, that is already water in water form, plus 1 kilogram of ice which is converted into the water. That means at 0 degree centigrade we have 6 kilogram of water. Similarly, the amount of ice at 0 degree centigrade, at first ice is 2 kilogram, and out of 2, 1 kilogram is converted into water, so the remaining is 1 kilogram. At 0 degree centigrade we have 1 kilogram ice and 6 kilogram of water. So let's check the option, the final amount of water they are asking. So the final amount of water is 6 kilogram. Option A is correct option. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.